Follow the leader of the skate park.
Lee, Marcus, and Davis.
Lee, Marcus, and Davis. Sam dropped in. Marcus is dancing. Okay, follow the leader has stopped and they're sitting and talking right now. Marcus is dancing.
Marcus is still going.
Three, two, one, drop in. Oh, please. Bitch, please. Bitch, drop it! And he goes. And he goes.
Marcus! Marcus!
Sam singing.
Marcus!
It's the nigga Sam!
He's all pushing on him.
Move. Oh.
He's just dancing to his own beat.
In his head.
Try follow the leader again? Maybe? I like watching Sam play at the skate park. Because it's so cute. He's like 12 years old. And Davis will come through next. And then they're all going to go stop and sit on the wall for a few minutes. Because they all look up to Sam. Oh, Sam's going, so Davis is going to go. And then Marcus. And Sam's coming out.
Davis usually always lands it.
Sam doesn't land it ever.
Fernando!
Fernando! Crash!
Ow, what the fuck?
That's for calling. Ow!
Hey, you.
Huh?
I said, hey, you. I didn't say, where'd you come from? I said, hey, you. Say hi.
I don't know. So I shoved her. Try to get to Nando.
Hi.
Hey, what's up, dude? You got there.
No, dog. Why are you trying to be on camera? Say something. That wasn't very nice. Oh, yeah, now we got a Gangsta G going on. I'm recording. The silent Gangsta G.
Oh, okay, I thought I saw it. I was like,
Alright, goodbye. Did your little thingy thing have a thing on there?
My little thingy?
what are you doing? Why did you just grab my face?
Say hi, Fernando.
Yeah,
I'd have been like, hell yeah.
let's go.
That's so cute because she's so much shorter than you.
Right, it's like this.
But you know what? The really sad thing is
Hell
that
yeah,
I'm short.
giant. I'm from
Hey,
Texas.
Amber.
SSK.
So I'm taller than you, or I'm shorter than you. So just think about that.
So, this is me and this is you.
I don't know. It's here. Let's see. This is no, push it away because you can see how short I really am. All right. So in all reality,
Oh, can lick his nipples.
What's this?
I can't even lick his nipple. You have to lean down so I can lick his nipple.
It's like this.
Hell yeah.
Getting pimped at the skate park. Next.
That's how it gets down.
Don't
here
get
at the
pimped.
skate
F
park.
that.
F that.
Oh yeah.
F
Because I don't want
that.
to say the F word.
Fuck that.
Since you're 21.
Fuck, fuckity, fuck, fuck.
Hey, hey, give me some of that smokity smoke.
Barely got some of the smoke and stuff.
I It's smoking and I want to smoke it. Hey, that's my ass. Oh, that's skateboard. That was weed, by the way.
Yeah, you suck.
Goodbye. Fernando's drinking liquor.
Right?
Goodbye.
No.
Oh, that was nasty.
Yeah, I want some of that.
Here, hold this. I'm gonna do it the right way. Hi. Hi.
Can't be seen on camera. I'll get arrested. I have a warrant. Like
Okay.
500. Oh my God, is that her?
No.
Okay.
Would you like to bite my nipple while you're at it too? And you're straight.
What?
And you're straight.
And you want to lick my nipple?
I got some nice.
What's up, cat?
What is up, Sid? Vicious. All right. So are we gonna say? Oh, are we gonna say goodbye or what? I know.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
I'm not leaving. I'm talking about my camera. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Peace.
Goodbye.
Peace
Hold on.
out, motherfuckers. Motherfuckers.
Shut up.
Oh, I was jamming.
I was done.
Oh, goodbye.
Your face shut up.
No, that was hello. Goodbye.
Wait, how I get to tell you my name?
goodbye.
You have to tell me yours.
Goodbye.
You don't know my name?
Nope.
Amber.
Amber. What's your
Can't
real
read
name?
it. What's my real name?
Yeah.
Amber Noel Fox.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.